All right, we're gonna hook a float switch up to the turkey baster. This is so if the condensate drain leaks, it will stop the air conditioner once the turkey baster is filled with water. So you're gonna hook this on like this, as so. We're gonna run the wire up here. Wire's gonna come in here. This is our air handler. Okay. We're gonna hook this up to our thermostat wire, okay? We have two thermostat wires. The way to tell the difference is the one that has 4 wires, a red right here, a yellow, a white, a green, and a blue. That's the one that's coming directly from the thermostat. Then we have another brown wire that has a couple wires in it. This one right here. This one has a white wire and a red wire, just 2. Now you know that this is the one that goes to the condenser because it only has 2 wires, okay? The white wire is hooked up to this blue one, but it's usually hooked up to the yellow one. The yellow one, which is right here, is usually for air conditioning, but in this case, it's the blue wire, which hooks into this white wire right here, okay? Then the other red wire, which is coming from the condenser, is hooked to this brown wire, which is 24 volts, okay? So what we're gonna do is, to make sure the condenser works, we send this signal from the blue wire into the white wire, goes into the condenser, and then the electricity comes back up the red wire and completes the circuit into the 24 volt brown wire here. So what we're going to do is, we're going to splice in the 2 yellow wires that come from the float switch into the brown and red wire. So what will happen is when our turkey baster gets filled with water, the float will rise up and it will cut power to the air conditioner, preventing a flood. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off. Okay. We're going to spread this off like this, so. And then we're gonna hook the white wire, yellow wire into brown, and one side of the yellow wire into red. All right. So let me just do this real quick. It's hard holding the phone. Sorry. So I got the brown wire hooked up to the yellow, and now I'm going to hook that red 24 volt wire into the other yellow one. Like so. Now after you do this, make sure that you turn on the air conditioner, make sure that it's running and working. Sometimes these float switches are defective or they get stuck in the up position and then the air conditioner won't turn on. Just remember, it only shuts off power to the condenser, okay? Not the fan. So the fan will run, but the condenser doesn't run, okay?